In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a visually appealing fade-out animation effect for any element using basic animation tools. Mastering this technique can add a professional touch to your presentations or digital content, ensuring that transitions appear smooth and engaging. To begin, we'll first need to select the element you want to apply the fade-out effect to. This could be anything from text, an image, or a shape. Click on the item of your choice to highlight it. You'll know it's selected because a border will appear around it, usually with small squares on the corners and edges, indicating it's ready for editing. Once your element is selected, navigate to the Animations tab located at the top of your screen. This menu is your gateway to a variety of dynamic effects that can be used to bring your elements to life. Click on this tab to explore the different options available. Now, direct your attention to the array of animation effects. You'll want to look for the fade out option. This effect is particularly great for transitioning elements off the screen in a subtle and sophisticated manner, giving your presentation a sleek finish. Once you locate the fade out option, click on it to apply the effect to your selected element. You'll notice some immediate changes as the effect preview animates, providing a visual cue of what to expect. Next, let's fine-tune this animation by setting the timing and triggers, which are crucial for ensuring that the animation runs exactly how and when you want it. Timing controls generally include options like duration, start, and delay. These allow you to adjust how fast or slow the element fades out when the effect starts in relation to other actions, and if there's any pause before the effect initiates. Spend a moment to experiment with these settings. For instance, a slower fade out might be more elegant and is easier on the eyes in more formal presentations. Triggers, on the other hand, decide what action causes the animation to start. You might choose to have the fade out begin with a mouse click or after the completion of a previous animation. Selecting the right trigger ensures your animation plays out seamlessly within the context of your presentation or project. Once you're satisfied with how the animation looks and behaves, it's a good idea to run a quick preview. Most platforms and software will offer a preview or play button, enabling you to see the animation in real time. This helps verify that everything is working as expected and that there aren't any unexpected glitches. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to creating a fade-out effect for your elements. With just a few clicks, you can significantly enhance the visual storytelling aspect of your work. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore further with different elements and settings to perfect your animation skills.